This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's go through the details. I let you know yesterday, hit that like button. We were on a buy line. We just hit a short line, a golden short, right? We moved up 5%. Shout out and please hit the like button if you traded Bitcoin. If you got that video yesterday, we're going to talk about the throwback feature, prior support right now, trying to become resistance. Can the bulls get us there? I'll tell you, it was a much higher probability being on that level, that entry level, that green buy line yesterday. Shout out to the VIP, our top trade group. Right now, if you're in the profit, I'll let you know the bulls are trying to accomplish a bull flag to the upside. Look at this, a move to the upside, downward sloping channel. The specific target would be the repeat of the flagpole. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, and not financial advice. That 19,600 would be what, guys? Would be, as we would look at the preceding level of support, it would be the flip to resistance, that 60 to 65% that we see of a pattern throwback, the prior support to resistance. Yes, the prior support to resistance, that's called a throwback. Yes, a 60 to 65% chance. You guys will recall also we caught this move to the downside, upward sloping channel, bear flag, boom, before the pour down yesterday. And you'll see how beautifully this indicator is working, not only on the pick up side, and yes, you need to still, as I say, buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, and hit your targets. Yes, you need to still configure in, without a doubt, your specific downside targets. You cannot abandon the principles of TA when working with an indicator. You can't do it, guys. It'd be nice. It would be really nice, but we didn't set the indicator up that way. I still want you to need to trade, bottom line. So as we look at the potential for the throwback, I want to go through very quickly. Let's go through the DXY. Level of support, level of resistance on the daily. What is it? It's buy or long at support. It's sell or short at resistance. Don't ever abandon the fundamentals of technical analysis. Don't ever do that. Buy or long at support. You're going to sell or short at resistance. Bottom line, this middle level can be tricky. It's tight trading. You really need to guard yourself in terms of your entries. The NASDAQ right now, for purposes of correlation, I forgot completely. 471%. Have to go through this. 471% for Venus. Congratulations. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. You maximize that price action on Bitcoin from that breakout of the ascending triangle. Venus, will we return to that 18,800 to confirm prior resistance, really as support on more of a macro basis in this range? I tell you, the bears want 18.8 while the bulls are trying to push up to that 19.6. That's going to be the need for the breakout over resistance to support flip with that move to the upside and that confirmation, which we'll talk about, or that momentum that we'll talk about in a moment. 19,500, an additional trade in the back, 225% short with 187% guys matched up long and a 500% long. That would be Liam. Way to go. This 20,000 was a trade that I put in to show you guys what's possible in the market. I don't want you guys to emulate it, just want to show you guys what's possible in the market. That $20,000 trade. Now Gulsham, new VIP, 131%. Love running through trade results. It's the highlight of my day. Look at this. In terms of a $4,500 additional trade in Freddie with a 321% trade. That's VIP trading in one day, guys, just in one day. Congratulations to all the VIP. Now, yes, we need to break through the level of resistance, flip to support, ideally, in terms of a confirmation, and move to the upside with momentum. We say momentum. What is momentum? Momentum is your MACD. Look at the 30-minute time frame. We're losing the momentum. We don't want to go into negative territory. If we do, we'd like to flip back quickly or that bull flag. The hourly, too, is expressing that downward sloping channel that you're seeing on price. The downward sloping channel, we would expect that to be accompanied with a drop in momentum, just so that you know it's not irregular, it's not abnormal. The larger time frames, I'll say the larger 4-hourly time frame with positive momentum can carry up the overall entirety of the bull flag, as well as the daily, right? But we've had some negative moves on some positive daily, or at least increasing momentum. It is still negative, but increasing momentum on the weekly or on the daily. That 8-hourly is the most concerning right now, just so that you know, that 8-hourly. You'll need cooperation from the 30-minute MACD, that momentum, in order to complete that bull flag, of course, along with the, let's go into that 5-minute. I want to go into that 5-minute. There we go. That 5-minute time frame is going to be critical. We need to stay away from this type of movement here. In terms of the DXY, I want to remind you, buy at support, sell at resistance, right? Or long at support, short at resistance to the daily chart. Negatively correlated with Bitcoin. Just pay attention. Don't get caught up in the middle level level. Don't get caught up in the middle of a swing channel. As you can tell you, if you want to play 50-50, you can, but much more interesting to play along with a heavy level of established support or a heavy level of established resistance. Don't get caught in the crosshairs here, guys. It'll be a bad move or bad day for you. NASDAQ for purposes of correlation as well. Looking at an expansion here. Very nice. We don't like to get involved in these long as they're breaking out. Much more so along the lower levels. Look how this indicator handles the price action. Either contact. We'll just look at this. Contact. When we get a close below a line like this, it's a definite indicator indication that we want to enter into a long. I'll tell you that. There are two theories, two schools of thought. One is some traders will require a candle close below a line. Others will go with, well, we want some contact with the line. So one of the two, and you can test as you feel necessary. But look at the golden short line. We're in a bear market, so the more consistent moves right now have been the shorts. Boom, in that golden short area there. Very nice. We hit another golden short. Boom here. Let's look at the 4 hourly. Very closely. We caught that top line of the NASDAQ. Boom. You'll just see those lines being beautifully well respected. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. I want to remind you to never be overexposed. And looking at this framework, these can rock to the upside. I'll just tell you, these can rock to the upside. We're going to be cognizant of this short line, however. And let's go to the 4 hourly really quickly. That specific level here, we just haven't really pushed up into this high level line here. I'll just tell you, it's been difficult for equities. A lot of bad news. So we'll trade from lower. Always long from lower, guys. Do not trade those breakouts in a bear market. Typically, that's the approach typically. I want to encourage you, though, to trade with the top trade group. You'll see this bull flag. We're trading in the back. That's where the returns are from. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Please join today, the top trade group. We would be welcoming the top traders on a consistent basis is what we are doing. And we're welcoming you right now to join the trade group on our Twitter. You can go ahead and put I am VIP. Boom. And guys, you'll put I am VIP to the, just respond to that top pinned tweet there, I am VIP. That'll put you in touch with me. I'll put you in the back with the winner's circle, and we'll get you involved with the charts. We'll hook you up with the New York Institute of Finance Materials, and we'll put you with the winner's circle in terms of, or in the winner's circle, with all of the top traders in crypto. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Appreciate all of your time. Hope you guys caught that move last night. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.